Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unable to join the network error on your iPhone. Sometimes your iPhone can detect a Wi-Fi network, but when you try to connect, it shows this error and refuses to join. This usually happens because of a temporary connection problem, an incorrect saved Wi-Fi configuration, or an issue with your iPhone's network settings. Before trying the main methods, remember that you will need your Wi-Fi password to reconnect. Make sure you have the correct password ready. If you do not have the password or do not want to reset the network settings yet, you can try a few simpler steps first. Restart your iPhone. Turn airplane mode on and then turn it off again. Turn Wi-Fi off and turn it back on. These steps can fix temporary connection problems without removing your saved Wi-Fi network. Let's fix the issue step by step. The first method is forgetting the Wi-Fi network. This removes the saved connection from your iPhone and allows you to connect to it again as a new network. Go to Settings on your iPhone and enter the Wi-Fi section. Select the network you want to join and tap the I information icon next to it. Tap Forget this network and confirm the option. Now select the Wi-Fi network again and enter your password to reconnect. Once connected, check whether the internet is working properly. The second method is resetting network settings. Use this method if forgetting and reconnecting to the Wi-Fi network did not solve the problem. Resetting network settings removes the saved network configuration on your iPhone and can fix accidental changes that are preventing the connection. Go to Settings and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm the reset. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network using the password and check whether the error is fixed. Remember that resetting network settings removes your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so make sure you have the Wi-Fi password before doing this. If the simple steps do not work, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. If the error continues after that, reset the network settings. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more simple iPhone tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel.